As we journey through the city of 2050, we are reminded of the limitless potential of human innovation and the enduring strength of our commitment to the planet we call home. The city of tomorrow isn't just a physical space. It's a vision, a dream of a future where technology and nature exist in harmony. In this city, buildings are not just structures, but living, breathing ecosystems. They rise into the sky, adorned with vertical gardens that bring nature back into urban environments. Solar panels glimmer from rooftops, harnessing the power of the sun to energize the city. The transport systems of this city are a sight to behold. Gone are the days of traffic jams and pollution. Monorails glide between buildings, and flying cars zip through the sky in organized lanes. These are not just modes of transportation, but symbols of a society that values efficiency, convenience, and the environment. Public spaces in this city are sanctuaries. Green parks nestled amongst the urban structures offer a respite from the hustle and bustle, a place for community and tranquility. And in these parks you may spot citizens walking, some with intelligent robots by their side, a testament to the harmonious coexistence of humans and technology. Technology is a constant companion in this city, seamlessly integrated into daily life. Automation enhances comfort and efficiency. Holographic interfaces bring the digital world to life, and AI assistants offer a helping hand. Yet, amidst all this, the human experience remains at the heart of it all. Look up at the clear blue sky and you'll see drones buzzing overhead, performing tasks that once required human labor. The sky, free from pollution, reflects a society that values its environment, that understands the importance of maintaining the health of our planet for future generations. As night falls, the city sparkles, a constellation of lights twinkling against the darkness. It's a testament to human innovation, to our capacity to dream and create. This is the city of 2050. A dream realized, a testament to human ingenuity, a promise of a sustainable and vibrant future. The future is here, and it's more incredible than we could have ever imagined.